family, welcome back to MJ's Kitchen. I hope you're doing fine. Today I'm gonna make for you some pepper steak, and these are my ingredients here. I have here my steak. It's skirt steak. I seasoned it from last night. I already seasoned it from last night, but these are the seasoning that I use. Salt and pepper, of course, some ground garlic, Mrs. Dash, Worcestershire sauce, and I put some oregano, some paprika, some coriander, and I'm gonna use some sweet teriyaki sauce in it, garlic, and I have here my sweet pepper, onion, and thyme. I have here some carrots, and I have garlic, chopped garlic. I have here some eggs, 2 beaten eggs. One was small. I think I could use one also. I'm gonna put it with my steak, and I'm gonna put some cornstarch, because I'm gonna put like a tablespoon and see how that go. Cornstarch. Okay, let's add 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Also, I'm gonna add a half teaspoon baking powder. See, half teaspoon baking powder. Okay, gonna just whisk that together. Okay, let me get my... Okay, I pour my egg mixture in. I'm gonna just mix everything together. Okay, come over here. Got my pot heating with canola oil. Put it on high for now. I just want to get some brown on my steak. Try my oil to heat up a little more. Okay, my oil is ready, so let's go. Smells so good. Wow. Smells good already. Right. I drop my onions in. Very nice soft roasted. My thyme in. I have my carrots over here boiled, just boiling a little, cooking my carrots. So those are the to cook, and this go really fast. Okay. I'm gonna drop my pepper. I'm gonna drop my garlic. I have a lot of garlic here. Caramelize a little bit in the middle here. Put my sweet teriyaki sauce in it. Little my icing sauce. Not too much, because this is salty. Not too much, because we already have salt in the meat. Then I'm gonna add my carrots. Get some gravy. Yummy. Butter make it better. water make that sauce better. Okay guys, here is the finished product. Yummy. Thanks again. Have a great day. God bless you. Bye.